Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about electricity billing. This topic is related to electrical energy conservation and auditing of 6M electrical branch. Electricity billing. The electricity billing by utilities for medium and large enterprises in high tension category is often done on two-part tariff structures, one part for capacity and another part for actual energy during the billing cycle. Electrical utility or power supplying companies charge industrial customer not only based on the amount of energy used but also on the peak demand for each month. Capacity or demand is in kVA or kilowatt term. Utility charge for maximum demand, active energy, reactive power done in its billing structure. The tariff structure generally includes the following components: maximum demand charge. Yes, this charge is related to maximum demand registered during months, billing periods and corresponding rate of utility. Maximum demand is the highest average kVA recorded during any one demand interval within the month. The demand interval is normally 30 minutes but may vary from utility to utility from 15 minutes to 16 minutes. The demand is measured using a trivector meter, digital energy meter. Energy charges. This charge is related to energy consumed during month, billing period and corresponding rates. Some utilities now charge on the basis of apparent energy, which is a vector sum of kilowatt hour and kilovolt ampere hour. Power factor penalty. This charge is related to some utility which are contain reactive power from the grid. Fuel cost adjustment charge. This charge related to adjust the increasing fuel expenses over a base reference value. Electricity duty charges related to unit consume, meter rentals, light and fan power consumption, time of day tariff. In time of day tariff, they encourage users to draw more power during off-peak hour and less power during peak hours. Time of day tariff gives opportunity for the user to reduce their billing charge are quite low in comparison to peak hour tariff. Penalty for exceeding contract demand. Contract demand is the amount of electric power that a customer demands from utility in a specified interval. Surcharge if metering is at LT side in some of the utilities. Analysis of utility bill data and monitoring its trends helps energy manager to identify ways for electricity bill reduction. The utility employs an electromagnetic or electronic trivector meter for billing purpose. The minimum output from the electromagnetic meters are maximum demand registered during the month, which is measured in preset time intervals, say about 30 minutes duration, and this is reset at the end of every billing cycle. Active energy during billing cycle, reactive energy during billing cycle, apparent energy during billing cycle. It is important to note that while maximum demand is recorded, it is not instantaneous demand drawn. Temporary billing system. In temporary billing system, customer request for electric connection for limited number of days and according to category of consumer, temporary bill is calculated. Regular inspection is done by the officials and penalty charge is applied if unit utilize exceed demanded units. At the end of period, bill is calculated along the required charge. Prepaid electricity. Prepaid electricity billing system is an application to automate the process of ordering and calculating the electricity bill with all the charges and penalty for a consumer who has been given connection of electricity. This is the flow chart of prepaid electricity billing. In this, user pay the money for P unit of electricity. From the flow chart we can see that the warning message for next recharging of electricity is sent to customer after decreasing the balance of customer beyond the threshold amount of power. People spend much more power than what they actually need, and they results in a loss of energy. The continuous increase the universal energy price has resulted in economical losses. Thus, we are proposed a prepaid electricity billing system. Thank you.